How is the current working?
The current working of company is we have changed. Our CMD is Mr. D.S. Kulkarni. Myself, I am working as executive director of the company. In organization chart, we have Mr. Kulkarni as our president, and then all the profit centers are there. Mumbai is working as separate profit center, Bangalore and Chennai. All our business associates are there. Our employee strength right now is 550 actually working with us. But if you see, this industry is maximum with indirect employees, contract laborers, contractors, we subcontract everything. So all the actual working people are contracted.
What are the challenges?
Right now there are huge challenges because of the meltdown in Europe and United States. There has been a kind of sentimental recession in India. No, fortunately, India has not been hit by recession, but there is always a fear nowadays in people's mind about investing their money into real estate, because whenever you invest in a house, it's not a small investment. So now, because of the fear of increasing interest rates, then about the fear of job, people are holding back their investments, which is a small time but a very crucial time period for this industry right now is going. In fact, since World War II, this industry has grown a lot, but now this is a period of around 3 to 4 months is going to be very crucial for this industry. But again, India is growing very fast, growth is not going to be stopped. But this 4 months gap will have to be filled up very fast.
What are the opportunities?
Opportunities are huge because if you see last 2-3 years budgets, infrastructure has taken over all other budgets, in the budgets also. Infrastructure has been given importance a lot as compared to other sectors. India is growing, India's economy is growing very fast. People need houses very much. Now as the economic standard is increasing, the need is increasing a lot. So development has to come. We are this industry is still in a very infant stage right now, very young stage. So it's growing fast and it has to reach to a maturity stage in around 4-5 years. So coming 10 to 15 years, they are very good for construction industry as such.
How do you look at competition?
Competition is growing. Competition going is good because it increases your quality. Because now foreign people are coming, FDI is coming, the transparency has increased a lot, governance has increased because the real estate, the industry, construction industry itself is changing very fast now because of the increasing competition. Because once we have a foreign competition with us, it's going to be a very stiff competition. The company with very good high quality standards, not name, with high quality standards is going to survive. And that's very good impact for the nation as compared to every person individual rather than any company. So it's better where qualitative competition will be increased instead of quantitative competition. That's more important.